Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make burgers. For this recipe you will need 1 pack of beef mince, 1 onion finely diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 egg, some vegetable oil, some salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. First you're going to fry off the onion and garlic in a pan. Then once they have cooled a little, add all of your ingredients into a bowl and mix well. Now that it has formed like a patty mix, you're going to use your burger press to create 6 to 8 patties. This depends on how thick you like them. We like them quite thin, so we always make 8. You can of course make your patties by hand if you don't have a burger press, but if you're going to be making burgers often, I would recommend buying one as it makes life much easier and it's actually really fun to use. Freeze your burgers for 30 minutes. And now you're going to cook them. You can either do this on a barbecue, a Foreman grill, or just in a frying pan like I do. One of my top tips is to freeze your leftover burgers and they will keep for 6 months. And there you go, the best homemade burgers you will taste. We like to serve them up with chips, salad and onion rings. Thanks for watching that guys, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope your burgers are just as yummy as ours are. Honestly, you will not go back to buying burgers now. These ones are so yummy, so easy, and you can keep them in the freezer for 6 months. So in reality, you could make loads and loads of burgers, put them in the freezer, and then you just have burgers on demand as and when you want them. So what's not to love? Okay, I will see you guys in the next video.